Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Professional School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. So let's start. Our today's topic is write in numbers. It's part 5. In the previous classes, that means the first 4 classes we have learned the numbers from 1 to 40. Today we will learn in this last class of write-in numbers. We learn from 41 to 50. This is your lecture number is 5, and you have a homework. Your homework number is also 5. Now there is the question. Have a look at the question. Is write in numbers from 41 to 50. Write in numbers from 41 to 50. So our first number will be 41, and 41 is given here. We can write down easily in the first column, first row in this box, 41. And there is given 4 and 1 makes the number 41. It's 4 and 1, which is the number 41. Like this way, you should fill up all the numbers up to 50. So the next number of 41 is 42. 4 and 2 makes the number 42. Is 4 and 2 makes the number 42. After 42, the number comes which is 43. 4 and 3 makes the number 43. 4 and 3 makes the number 43. Is 41. 42, it is 43. After 43, the number is 44. 4 and 4 makes the number 44. 4 and 4 makes the number 44. After 44, the number comes which is 45. 4 and 5 makes the number 45. 4 and 5 makes the number 45. After 45, the number comes which is 46. We have no space here. We have no blank space here. So we should write down in the second row, first column, the number 46, okay, which is comes immediate after 45 is 46. 4 and 6 makes the number which is 46. 4 and 6 makes the number which is 46. After 46, the number is 47. 4 and 7 makes the number 47. 4 and 7 makes the number 47. After 47, the number is 48. Is 4 and 8 makes the number which is 48. 4 and 8 makes the number 48. After 48, the number is 49. 4 and 9 makes the number 49. 4 and 9 makes the number 49. After 49, the number comes which is 50, and which is our last number, okay, of today's topic. It's 5 and 0, which makes the number 50. 50 is given here. We can write down by watching this from the question. So read out these numbers again from the start. Its first number is 41. 4 and 1, 41. Then 4 and 2 makes the number which is 42. Then is 43. 4 and 3 makes the number 43. After 43, the number is 44. 4 and 4 makes the number 44. After 44, the number is 45. 4 and 5 makes the number which is 45. Then the number is 46. Is 4 and 6 which is the number 46. Then it's 47. 4 and 7 makes the number 47. After 47 is 48. 4 and 8 makes the number 48. Then it's 49. 4 and 9 makes the number which is 49. And the last number is 50, which is comes after 49 is 5 and 0, which is makes 50. The students, you have the homework. Your homework number is 5. Please mention your homework number in your assigned SW copy, and the homework is same. This means that this CW is your SW. Please do your SW properly, your assigned SW copy, and you can submit all of your SWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.